The Dawn Fraser Baths redevelopment was the restoration of an 1882 constructed oldest baths in Australia. We deconstructed it. We had to raise it because sea level's increasing, as everyone knows, with climate change. We actually thought of an idea where we'd actually drop the actual water polo light poles in using a helicopter, and that proved very successful. Obviously there was a lot of planning and meticulous detail in terms of having to set up where the bolts had to go and where the base plate of the light pole had to be positioned, and fortunately everything went off without a hitch. I just feel that it sort of demonstrates what us as a company do well in terms of difficulty. Very challenging site. With most people, they wouldn't have known that the building had been completely deconstructed and reconstructed. I think goes to show that, you know, the job was very successful and achieved the outcomes. We enjoy being able to bring something that has been neglected back to life. And overall, the reception from the neighbourhood and the local community was very positive in terms of what was delivered back to them.